weapon or a drug. You can be the outcast, to be the backlash of somebody's lack of love. Or you can start speaking up. Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to play Brave by Sara Bareilles on ukulele. There are only 4 chords that you need to know for this song, and none of them are bar chords, so it's pretty easy. Let's go ahead and get right into the chords that we need. The first one is gonna be G. Then we have E minor. Then we have a C chord, which is super easy because it's just the one finger. Then last we have a D chord. Okay, so if you want to play with the original track of this song, you need to put a capo on the 3rd fret of your ukulele. However, I'm not going to use the capo, but I'm still going to be playing the same chords that you would play with the capo on. I just have to sing it in a little bit different of a key. Now we can go over progressions and strumming patterns. So the progression for the verses is G, E minor, C, G, E minor, C, D. I'm first going to go through the progression with single down strums so you can see how many beats you're gonna be on each chord for. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then back to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's pretty consistent that you stay on each chord for 8 beats, except for that last C and D chord, you're going to be on them for 4 beats each. The next strumming pattern that I recommend is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. How you would relate this strumming pattern to the one that I did previously where I counted out the beats and did the single down strums. If you did 2 single down strums on a chord, that means you're going to go through that pattern twice when you do it for that chord. And if you only did 1 single down strum on the chord, so for that last C and D chord, you're only going to go through the pattern 1 time. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, and then you go through it twice on the E minor. This is the second time on the C. Down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then you would do the second line of the progression. I'm gonna go ahead and sing the lyrics with it now. You can be amazing, you can turn a phrase into a weapon or a drug. You can be the outcast, to be the backlash of somebody's lack of love. Start speaking up. Nothing's gonna hurt you the way the words do when they settle near the skin. Kept on the inside and no sunlight, sometimes a shadow wins. But I wonder what would happen if you... On that D chord, you could continue to do the strumming pattern, but I like to just strum it once and let it ring before I go into the chorus. The progression for the chorus is G, E minor, C, D, and you're only going to go through the strumming pattern once on each chord. So it would sound like this. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. You're gonna go through that progression a total of 4 times for the chorus, and that also includes the post-chorus in there. So I'll go ahead and go through that. Say what you wanna say, and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave with what you wanna say, and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be, I just wanna see you, 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 I just wanna see you. If you are struggling with that strumming pattern, you can most definitely use single down strums, so that would sound like this. Say what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so 4 beats on each chord. And 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Verse 2 would be the exact same thing that you did verse 1, so I'll go ahead and run through that. Everybody's been there, everybody's been stared down by the enemy, falling for the feelings and some disappearing, bow down to the mighty. Don't run, stop holding your tongue. Maybe there's a way out of the cage where you live. Maybe one of these days you can let the light in. Show me how big your brave is. The second chorus is the same thing that you did before, except for I believe in the original track of the song, she doesn't sing the post chorus, so therefore you'd go through the progression twice instead of 4 times. Then next we have to talk about the bridge, which is super easy because if you can play the previous parts, you can get the bridge. The bridge is gonna be E minor, G, C, then E minor, G, D. You're gonna do 1 single down strum on each chord, except for the C, you're gonna do 2. And ever since your history of silence won't do you any good, did you think it would? Let your words be anything but empty. Why don't you tell them the truth? And just let that last D ring out before you go back into the chorus. You could also use down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. And you would do it 1 time on each chord, except for the C, you would do it twice. And then that last D chord, you would just do 1 single down strum. And ever since your history of silence won't do you any good, did you think it would? Let your words be anything but empty. Why don't you tell them the truth? Say what you wanna say and let the words fall out honestly. And you just go back into this, the same thing that you did before. For the ending of the song, it goes through that progression a whole bunch of times because it's the part that goes, I just wanna see you, I just wanna see you, I just wanna see you. And basically you just keep repeating that. Do it as many times as you want. I think technically you repeat it 4 times. So you would be doing the total chorus progression a total of 6 times. That is completely up to just how many times you feel like singing it, how many times you want to go through the progression before you bring the song to a close. And that is everything that you need to know to play this song. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have y'all back here for another lesson with me. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you would like to learn. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye!